Okay, so we're coming into the apartment, and this is an example of a studio apartment, and there's your living area right here. We put the TV on the right, and your palm tree through the window, which is very nice, and then we're going to turn, and there's Alan. He's going to show you where the bed's going to go, and that's Jen. Hello, Jen, marketing representative. And we're going to show you that there's a little walkout here to a nice little patio. Okay, and the patio has a little bit of a shelter over it, so you can get some shade, and open the door for me, Al. I can't walk through glass. Thank you, darling. And then it's a windy day today, so this is your balcony, and that's the view down into the valley. Okay, and this over here is the front lobby, right there. Okay, front lobby, and you can see that it's kind of covered, so you can have you got a neighbor up above, but you have a little table and chairs right here. And we're going to walk back inside. Thank you. And then we have two closets. One on either side with shelving and regular closet.
Step-in shower.
And a step-in shower, just like you're used to. Oops. Sorry, no fan. Okay, so just typical shower situation. And sink and toilet. Okay, that's about it. And you can see me. I'm right here. Hi, Mom. How are you? Look at my tummy. Woohoo! See you in a bit.